My target is for Georgetown to be the #1 Toyota plant in the United States.
Right. Big target.
So for me, it was all about vision and values. We spent 40,000 hours training everyone. This was a suggestion from the consultants. I need to have the vision and values, but it needs to cascade down to everywhere, all the way to the shop floors. And that took a lot of effort. 40,000 hours. At that time, we had 200 group leaders, and we had to do group leader training. Many group leaders said that safety was really the top priority. To do that, we need a lot of safety kaizen activities, and we need money.
200 group leaders got $3,000, safety implementation, 30 people per group, 6,000 total people. You gave all these group leaders $3,000 because they didn't have the necessary funds to make the safety a priority.
They wanted to implement small kaizen on safety, but they needed the money to do it.
No money. Okay. So this was one of the things you did in Georgetown. And then the first thing you did,
I said to everyone, make your job easier, make your process better. And one of the problems we faced is that the productivity is 30% lower than Toyota in Japan.
Right. 30% lower productivity than Toyota in Japan. Yeah, wow, that's huge.
It was not right. We had to find another way.
So instead of whipping them and saying, hey, improve productivity, you said, make your job easier, make your processes better. So simple, so awesome.